All right, today we're going to break down a method that's getting a ton of buzz. We're talking about how literally anyone, even if you're a total beginner, can realistically start aiming for a $100 per day income online using some really simple AI tools. Let's get right into the blueprint.
So, let's be real. The big question a lot of us are asking is there a way to make money online that's actually straightforward? Not some crazy, complicated scheme, but something that a beginner can genuinely start doing today.
And here's the kicker. A method that doesn't mean you have to sink a bunch of money into it, or have years of experience, or spend months learning some super technical skill. We're talking about knocking down all those walls that usually stop people before they even start.
Okay, so what is this thing? What's the secret sauce? Let's get right into the solution itself. It's actually surprisingly simple, but man, is it effective in today's world.
Look, the entire strategy really just boils down to this one simple idea. You use basic AI tools to do work that businesses, especially businesses in the US, are already paying good money for. You're not trying to invent something new, you're just using new tools to fill a need that's already there, and it's a big one.
So you might be wondering, what kind of work are we actually talking about here? Well, it's the stuff that powers the internet. I'm talking about blog posts that get websites noticed, killer product descriptions for online stores, catchy captions for social media, even marketing emails. Companies need this stuff, like all the time, and they're more than happy to pay for it.
Okay, so you get the concept, right? Now let's get to the good stuff, the actual actionable blueprint. We're going to break this down into 3 really simple, totally manageable steps.
So here's the game plan, nice and simple. First, you're going to use AI to create the content. Second, you're going to find the clients who actually need it. And third, you're going to scale that whole process up to hit your goal. Let's dive into each one.
All right, step 1. This is all about working smarter, not harder. You're going to use tools you probably already know, like ChatGPT, to do all the heavy lifting. So instead of sitting there staring at a blank screen for hours, you can get a really solid first draft for a blog post or a bunch of social media posts in literally seconds. Now listen up, because this is probably the most important tip in this whole thing. The real secret weapon isn't just hitting generate. It's what you do after. You take that text and you give it a quick polish. You make it sound natural, give it a bit of a human touch. That's what makes you valuable. It could be as simple as fixing a clunky sentence or adding a little story. That little bit of effort is everything.
Okay, step 2. Where do you find the people who are going to pay you for this? The best part is, you don't have to go hunting for them. You just go to where they're already hanging out. Platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and yeah, even LinkedIn are basically giant marketplaces just waiting for people with these skills.
And the process is super straightforward. You just create a profile, offer services like content writing or maybe fast turnaround copywriting, and then when an order comes in, you use your AI sidepick to get the work done crazy fast. That speed is a huge advantage.
And that brings us to step 3, scaling up but doing it the smart way. Look, you're not going to start out charging premium prices. You start small. You take on easy little jobs to get some 5-star reviews under your belt. That positive feedback is like gold. It builds trust, and it's what lets you start raising your prices with confidence.
So let's take a step back. Why does this actually work so well? And maybe more importantly, how do you actually go from doing one small job to hitting that $100 a day figure? Let's look at the logic and the path to get there.
This slide right here really nails why this works. Think about it. Businesses, especially in the US, value speed and convenience. They will pay to get a problem solved quickly. When you use AI, you give them that speed. And then, by adding your human edit, you give them the quality they need. It's the perfect combo.
Now let's really visualize how this scaling thing works. That goal of $100 a day can feel kind of huge at first, right? But it's not about landing one giant client. It's about a simple, repeatable process of stringing together small wins. Look, it's going to start small. Your very first task might only be 10, maybe 15 bucks, and that's totally okay. The goal here isn't to get rich on day one. It's to get that first positive review and just prove to yourself that, hey, this thing actually works.
But then, pretty quickly, you'll find yourself knocking out a couple of these little jobs a day. And since you've got your AI workflow down, getting to, say, 50 bucks in a day becomes totally manageable.
And this is how you hit that target. $100 a day doesn't usually come from one single project. It's more like this, you see? Maybe you do one blog post for 40 bucks, a set of social media captions for 35, and a quick product description for 25. Since AI is doing most of the work, you can get all that done in just a few hours.
All right, let's bring it all home. We're going to wrap this up with your Launchpad. The key things you need to remember to get started, like, right now.
So, let's just do a super quick recap, your cheat sheet for success. Number 1, leverage AI for that initial creation. Number 2, set up your shop where the clients already are, those freelancing platforms. 3, your goal is to deliver quality work, fast. 4, always be professional, it builds trust. And finally, number 5, don't be afraid to raise your prices as you get more good reviews.
You know, when you strip it all away, it really comes down to this one simple, powerful idea. This isn't about having a bunch of cash to start or some fancy degree. It's just about working smart, using the amazing tools that we have right at our fingertips to give real value to businesses who desperately need it.
And that really just leaves us with one last question to think about. I mean, this whole thing starts as a way to make an extra $100 a day. But if you're consistent, if you focus on quality, could this simple method be the foundation for something way, way bigger? The tools are there. The customers are there. The next move, well, that's up to you.